Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character míng step by step. I will first write it in standard scripts, then following one word and one sentence. That's right. míng日月明 bright to understand wise. For example, 明白明白 clear to understand I don't understand. What does this mean? What does this mean? "我不明白，这是什么意思呢？我不明白，这个是什么意思呢？这个是什么意思呢？我不明白 I don't understand. 不明白。这个是什么意思呢？I don't understand. What does this mean? 我不明白，这个是什么意思呢？ My casual handwriting on the character míng. míng bright to understand wise 明白 clear to understand I don't understand what does this mean 我不明白这个是什么意思呢明 Please comment any sentence with the character míng. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.